Guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in today's video I will do a kids product review. So it's a magnetic dry board for kids. So in case you guys are looking for a kids kids drawing board or kids easel, then definitely this review will help you. So let's open it and see how it looks. So this one is from Amazon, from the brand QTH, and so let's open. Oh wow! So this is the board. Comes with this mix. These are the things I got. So this one I got. So I got some sketch. Oh, I got some dots for playing Ludo, I think, like a chalk, and a mini duster. So cute. Look at the duster, dry eraser duster, and this one is this one is for chalk. You can use this one for playing Ludo, and this is really good because you can play Ludo and you can play and you can do a lot of fun. So good. Like this portion. This is so cool. Oh, now you can see this portion. You can make it fold it like this way and connect it like this. So easy. You can. Yeah, it works fine.
Wow!
Do you like it? Oh, it's so cute. Really nice. Wow. Then you can try the other one for the chalkboard. This way. You can place the chalk here. So for the chalkboard you can use this one. So good. Definitely. Oh. Wow, it's really good. And with all the stores there, and these are like the magnetic. Yes. These are the magnetic. You can see. Wow. All these numbers are magnetic. So we can teach the kids like this way. This is like a really cool stuff. I really like it. Yeah, definitely a great one. So Advik, do you like it?
Yeah,
you like it? Yeah. You love it?
Yeah,
you can see guys. This is like so cool.
it's so nice.
Turn this way.
Wow, look, it is so cute. You know, we think like this,
Advik, can you pick up the B?
Can you pick up the B?
The letter B?
Where's the B?
Where is B?
Where's B? Where's B? Oh, here
Okay. Here is B.
No,
So these are the things you can see.
Guys,
So it's like really a great is for the kids. After play, you can take all these pictures. So this is magnetic. So it's like really easy to teach the kids. And you can open it and put all these stuff there. So you can see this inside portion is magnetic. Here, magnet. this is a little storage space inside, so it is cool. So you can play with all this stuff there. See, this is like a really cool stuff for the kids. I really like it. I don't have like any complaint or anything because this material build quality is also like really great, and it's safe for kids. There is no any ages or anything that hurt your kid. So yeah, it's like a really great one for your kids for learn and play. It's like definitely a great one. Definitely you can try this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.